What's up, guys? So we bought this GameCube for $30, but the power button, it works. I already tested the GameCube. The power button just doesn't go all the way down. So we already removed the 4 bolts that go in the bottom on each corner. And I opened it, and it's pretty bad inside, guys. You guys might get a little scared. Let me just fix my light and my phone. Here we go. Before I bought it, there was like some like red stuff here, so I didn't expect it to be like this. What the heck is this, guys? It works just fine. It's just, I don't know if this is some sort of candy. What the heck is this? Let's go ahead and zoom in. I thought it was candy, but I don't know if it's like if it's leaking from the actual console or what the heck. Now we know why the power button wouldn't go up and down. What the heck? I'm gonna have to get some sort of knife. So we might fast forward this. It is connected to a cable, I think. Look at that big piece of chunk. What the heck is this? Look at that. Now it goes up and down for $31. Hopefully it still works good after I put it back. But now it looks like we have a button that's gonna work. Gotta be careful with the cables. Alright. Look at that. What is this, guys? Well, it looks like it's way better. Let's actually get some. Oh yeah. The only problem we had with this was the power button, but it looks like it's working as it should. So that should be on. I think that should be off. Since the whole Nintendo system was actually working good, I'm not gonna take it off apart and clean it. It looks like it's not dusty as other Nintendos would be. So just cleaning what it had. So yep, that's the damage right there. I don't know if this is like, was it leaking out of a cable or a battery? Or who the heck put this inside? If it belonged to two kids, maybe one of the kids got mad and tried to destroy it by putting that inside. So yeah, I'm gonna put this video on YouTube. Once in a while I fix consoles, but I'm not an expert, so this video is gonna be boring compared to other videos that actually say and know what they're doing. So I think that's gonna be it for the video. I'm just gonna clean it thoroughly and we'll test it later and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so we did clean it as best as we could without taking everything out. I know there's videos where you could remove everything and just have the plastic by itself. Then you get a bucket with hot water and soap, and you let it sit there for a while, and then you just scrub it with a toothbrush or something so you could clean it way better. But I don't want to deal with all that. I did clean it probably like an 80% good. But now we're gonna show you the power button. Before it wouldn't go down at all, and now it does. Now it works. Perfect. So that's gonna be enough of this video, guys. Hope you guys liked the video, and let me know in the comment, have you seen a Nintendo GameCube or any console this bad, or is this the worst you've ever seen so far? All right, thank you and have a good day, guys.